Guys, from our others 6th and standard students for them, I have created this particular video for them. I completed introduction as well as including our strength, weaknesses, and uses of computer. All these three chapter I finished. So now we'll discuss for the exercise. So first exercise we'll see. Let's see. So guys, our first question of from exercise 1 is multiple choice questions. So what is that? First question is a computer works very days. A computer works very fast. Answer is fast. Next one, computer is used to listen. What? By using computer we always listen music. So a computer is used to listen music. A computer runs on runs on electricity. Okay, so answer is electricity. A computer is a desk device. Computer is a electronic device. Computer is a electronic device. Who is the father of modern computer? Charles Babbage is the father of modern computer. Write down. Question number 2 is fill in the blank. So, first question is desk is an electronic machine. Desk is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine. Just write down, guys. Next one is banks use computer for making desk. Bank use computer for making calculation. Next is a computer has desk speed of working. A computer has desk speed of working. High speed of working. What is that? High speed of working. A computer has lack of intelligence. Computer is not an intelligent device that I taught you from my last session. So computer have lack of intelligence. Next one is write in one word. So we need to write full sentence in one word. Computer do not makes mistakes. It means computer never be wrong. So the answer is accuracy. Next one is computer never get tired. Means computer कब tired नहीं हो रहा है. Means diligence. What is the answer? Diligence. Next one is computer can do many things at a time or same time. In the sense answer is multitasking. Computer is multitasker. Okay. Computer work very fast means speed. Computer work very fast means speed. Computer can do different tasks means versatility. The answer is versatility. Next one is tick the correct one. Which is the correct one? Tick there. So first one is computer can very useful machines. Computer can very useful machines. That's correct. So tick. Next one is computer are used to teach in schools. Yes, that is correct one. Third one, we can use computers to send emails. Yes, this is also correct. So put tick over there. Next one is we can search for a lot of information on the computer. That is also correct one. Computers are used at many places like home, school, office, banks, etc. This is also correct one. Question 5 says identify the name of the places computers are used from the hint given. Okay, so here some hints are there. We need to identify which is the correct one where computer is used. So first one is computers keep records of the patient. So where we store patient's record. in hospital. Next one is computers also give the arrival and departure timing of trains. So where we used computer for that? Railways. Where? Railways. Next one is computers are used to store a lot of amount of informations, types and documents. Where? In office. Where? In office. Teachers can use computers to teach subjects in an enjoying manner. By where? School. Computers are used to maintain all the account details about customers. So where we used that? Banks. Where we used? In banks. Next section is fill the dash. First one is KEYBOARD. So keyboard. After that SPEED, speed. Third one accuracy, ACCURACY. Next versatility, VERSATILITY. Last one is mouse, MOUSE. What is this? Mouse. Note down. Next exercise 2, shown some pictures. We need to match that pictures. First picture is books, where books are stored in library. Second one is railway, where we are booking tickets, railway station. Next one is medical, hospital is matched to medical. Next one is school matched to school. Next one, last one is bank picture matched to bank. Find out this is your last question answer and comment me below if you have any doubt, any query. Do subscribe my channel and share as much as possible with your friends. Those are and others 6th standard students and find difficulty. Thank you guys. Bye bye and take care.